yeah, so, all right, I'm gonna go get Gary. I am in the Mustang today, so I don't have the little car mount thingy, so sorry if this is shaky. I need to get another one for this, but I rarely use this. But now I'm in it, it's disgusting and it needs cleaned. Maybe I'll do that today. So I was gonna take a shower this morning just to feel better, but actually I'm feeling really good today. I woke up to a nice clean house. I got a little late night cleaning done. Just felt like cleaning and not talking. You know, and if, by the way, if you missed that video, I'll put the link down below. That was, I just cleaned and didn't talk and didn't chit chat and got it done and snapped my fingers and it was done. So, I'm shaking this. So I was talking to some of you subscribers in the comments about how, sometimes, yet here I am talking about, sometimes talking about what's going on with you and what you're struggling with too much is not a good thing either. So I need to move on, but yet here I am talking about it. It's just and this is Fix It Friday. This, I don't know, but I'm gonna talk about it. Trying to figure out how to best how to hold the camera here. All right. All right, so for instance, I mean, for me, for instance, you know, it's good to talk to you guys, and I know it's helped you, but at some point I need to move on, but plus I'm feeling better, so I think I am on the road to recovery. So, knock on wood, right? Better and better every day, and that was the point of doing Vlogtober, so that I could feel better. So, you can't keep harping on it. You got to start thinking about some other stuff and get busy, and definitely helps to talk about it and to work through it and stuff, but at some point you just got to move on. So I'm moving on. So, you know, for instance, I know somebody that went to like a therapist, and she was harping on the issue just relentlessly, just bringing it up and bringing it up and bringing. I mean that is why the person went to therapy, but I don't know how to explain it to you. It's just at some point she needed to it really wasn't a therapist, it was a support group, and the leader was just harping on that, and this person just needed to move on. I didn't want to dwell on that. Yes, all right, this happened, but I need to move on and figure out how to deal with the rest of my life by moving on and not dwelling on what happened. Anyway, so there's that. So I'm gonna go get Gary. I have my water with me. Give him a little cozy thing. And so anyway, the reason I said I didn't take a shower this morning is because I feel like I look like a hot mess. But while Gary is doing, we're gonna do the ceiling fan today, if I stop talking. That's another reason why I need to do some non-talking videos so I can get some stuff done. He's going to do the ceiling fan on the patio. While he's doing that, I'm going to mow the lawn. I decided that's what it took 3-4 minutes for me to get to that point. So I didn't want to take a shower if I was going to mow the lawn. It is looking cloudy though, so we shall see if that happens. All right, going to Home Depot to return the other fan, to get the bigger fan, and a few other things, and yeah, we will see you in a little bit. It is 11:30 already. Okay, Gary's here. I totally didn't film at Home Depot. I don't know that we needed to. So all we did was get the ceiling fan. Took back the old one, got the new one, and I don't know where we left off the last time. I don't think I showed him the fan over there, did I? I don't know. So Gary's taking that fan down. I'm gonna put them on the road and do a curb alert on Craigslist. Maybe somebody will want them.
This time I'm taking it easy because I'm taking the blades off first.
Oh, that's a good idea. So this fan is up. And we bought another one just like it. And husband moving things around. I put the new cushions on the chair. I don't know what this smuts is. Oh, it's cat hair. Look how big here. And there's some on there too. I don't know. So I need to put the chair back. I got cushions for the 2 ottomans and some pillows, which are the wrong color. Well, not the color I thought they were going to be. But anyway, let me move this back over there. And I don't know why he moved it over here, but anyway. New pillows. I thought they were going to be a little more blue. So they don't exactly go with the tablecloth. But that's alright. This is over here. That's over there. I don't know. I'm fine with that. So, I need to... The color is coming off way different. It's more... Not that it matters, but that's like more olive color. It's coming off like a sage green on camera. Honestly, it's an olive color. Anyway, so it's definitely a darker green. So I had that blue blanket. Sometimes we put it in the chair so the cats don't get so much hair on it. I don't have to limp brush it every time. But I don't like the way that looks. So I'm going to have to find some kind of towel that matches so we can put the towels down on there and then switch them out when we need to. I don't want that blue one, so that's what that's looking like. And I got 2 more pillows. Apparently, I bought 4 pillows. I think what happened is they came in a set of 2, and I didn't realize that, so I don't need 4 pillows. I'm going to take those back to Home Depot and get a refund. So, hubby put together this cart, so that works really well. So I think I'm going to go put that in his office. He's not using that right now. It has airbrushing stuff in there and whatever. And so all these bins are empty. Those are going in the garage or going bye-bye. And I can actually take this tablecloth. Well, I could fold it up better because I don't need to hide anything under the table anymore because those things aren't under there. Although I might want to hide the vacuum under there now that I think of it, because the vacuum was in the pull bath shower. And maybe it just wasn't convenient dragging it out of the garage every time I wanted to do that. So I don't know what I want to do. But I'm going to clean up this area a little bit. I don't know if we need this anymore. I think I could put that in the garage. And yeah. Alright, so I cleaned up this area. Those bins went in the garage. And so there's nothing under there. I don't know if the vacuum is going to fit. So I did leave the tablecloth on there. Just folded it up so it wasn't hanging down so you could see it. Because when hubby takes this tablecloth off so he can do his crafts and stuff or whatever you want to call it, then he won't ruin the tablecloth. And plus the table under there is yucky, so it's there ready for him so he doesn't have to hunt for it. Because again, yes, I'm calling him out. I came out here one time and he was doing his crafts right on top of the tablecloth. He said he had a piece of cardboard down. He goes, "But I have a cardboard." I'm like, no, I'm gonna shoot you. Anyway, I guess I'm going to vacuum. And Gary's still putting up the ceiling fan. We're putting the other one together, and then he's gonna put that up. And we want to put the shelves up finally today. We want to put the wooden shelves up like I did in the bathroom, but here. I'm at least doing one. I vacuumed. It's not perfect. I still see dirt and stuff, but I just have to realize it's not going to be perfect. But I do like to come out here barefoot because, you know, 90% of the time I'm barefoot and I don't want dirt under my feet. I might get the robot vacuum out here and do that. And guess what? So the vacuum fits under here. So that's awesome. Perfect. If it's under there, you kind of can't really see it too bad. Anyway, I could turn it the other way so you can't see it. You can barely see it. You can just see the wheels. So that's covering that. I'm almost thinking of just leaving this here and making a cover for it or something. Of course, that'll probably never happen. So Gary's going to, I gotta clean this stuff up and put that inside there. Gary's going to hang that up too, right up there. Hopefully I'll have time to do that. I need to put this inside this container. And I'm going to buy hubby a planter, a potting bench. Yes, I found one on Target, and his birthday is on the 31st, although I don't think it'll get here in time. And I'm going to put a potting bench, not there, down there by the hose, in between the two windows on the outside. So I think that's what we're going to do. So these are the plants that we recently bought. Those are doing good. Those are the Thai plants. Look at the coloring on that. Isn't that pretty? All right, so what else? I guess I was gonna bring Rosie out here and see if she can clean up the rest of the dirt that's on the floor because it's bugging me. It's not too bad actually. It's much better. So. Okay, it is entirely too hot. I had to turn the AC on today. It is hot out today, so yeah. That video I posted yesterday to clean up, I didn't put the clothes away because hubby was sleeping in the bed, so I'm going to do that now. This is from the fan mess, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I know it's not really Fix It Friday, but this is Vlogtober, so it's kind of Fix It Friday, vlog style. So I'm going to clean up this mess and wait for Gary to finish the fan. And yeah, I was going to mow the lawn, but it's too hot. I don't feel like it. It's muggy out. I put the blades on.
There's not much breeze though. No. That would be the slowest.
Alright. That's going faster than this one. What is this one not on high? Or is this one on high? I guess we don't have time to do these shelves yet again, so Gary went in the garage to get a chain to hang up this plant in this corner over here. That pink hanging plant's gonna go up there, and while he's doing that, I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm feeling swelly. It was muggy and hot. I'm sure that has something to do with it. So look at the color of the Thai plant now. Looks a little bit different without the sunshine. There was a chain hanging here already, so we decided to hang it there for now because we're not sure how Bob hung those. If there's a toggle in the ceiling or not, I'm guessing there is. So we're gonna wait to talk to him. So guys, that's it. That's it for Fix It Friday. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day. There's like a little sunset happening over there. He came for the ceiling fans. I thought they would. Oh well. Guess the garbage man can take them. Alright, you guys get a little bonus clip. So I went to Publix, dropped off Gary, came home, was getting the groceries out of the car. And a bee or wasp stung me. It hurt really bad. I do not know how it stung me anyway, because I still had my shoes on, my flip-flops on. So somehow it was underneath my toe. I thought an ant bit me, and I put my hand down there to get the hand off of it, and it was a bee or a wasp. I didn't see real good. It was in between my flip-flop and my toe. Yeah, I don't know even how, and my middle toe. Nonetheless, oh my God, talk about excruciating pain. I'm yelling. Bob's like, what? Anyway, and so, but, you know, maybe that's a good thing, because I heard that bee stings help people with MS and lupus.
You don't have lupus.
No, I don't have lupus, but hey, my cousin has lupus. You never know. Maybe that's what's wrong with me. So maybe tomorrow I'll wake up and feel a lot better because the bee sting helped me. I don't know. I looked it up too. I already knew that they give bee venom to people with lupus and MS, mostly MS, and it helps their inflammation and stuff. So you never know. Maybe I will help my inflammation. I felt a little puffy today, but we're not going to dwell on that anyway. My toe feels better. It's starting to feel better, like, right now. Oh, relief. But that was, like, how long ago did it happen? Like, 20 minutes ago? 50. Oh, it was pretty excruciating. Anyway, that's it, guys. See ya next time. And I have a birthday party to go to on Saturday. I don't know if I'll film. It's one of the littles that you've never seen before.
Rats.
My hubby says rats. How are you feeling? Everybody's been asking how you've been feeling. How you feeling, honey? You feeling okay?
Yep.
Better?
Better?
He says he feels better. Okay, so, alright, that's it, guys. Enjoy your day. See you next time. Bye-bye.